In this video, we will discuss using the health check on a QuietCore Plus compressor. The health check takes about 20 minutes to complete. Begin by pressing the remote button. Select Yes to disable the remote controls and place the unit in manual mode. Press the menu button. Scroll down to the Diagnostics menu. Press Select. Scroll down to Maintenance Tests. Press Select. Select Automated Health Check. The system will automatically test the onboard electrical components such as the cooling fan and individual compressor pumps. When the health check is complete, the compressor will display the results. It is helpful to record the results to share with a dealer technician or A-dec customer service if needed. To re-enable the remote controls, press Remote. Then select Yes. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.